and it's raining cats and dogs. The rain is pouring since last 3 days continues in this fashion. Well, after enjoying the rain and coming back to your home, you just feel like having hot samosa and Indian ginger tea. That would be great. But, when you think of samosa, at least for me, I am reminded of this samosa. But how can I get it? This is only available in Haridwar. I have tasted many samosas in many places, but this samosa in Haridwar is one of the best I have ever had. And I do not know what they put inside this green chutney, which is quite thin. The combination of the masalas and the potatoes inside the samosa, delicately spiced and with this runny green chutney, the combination is just heavenly. Well, the thoughts are lingering, can't help it. One day I'll again go and indulge into it. Till then, enjoy this samosa. While walking in the streets in the main market of Haridwar, then the urge of eating samosa with a Indian tea made me ask many a shops that which is the best shop where I can get the best samosa. And to my surprise, everyone pointed out to go to Sindhi Halwai. And here I am at the place called Sindhi Halwai and enjoying this delicious samosa. My mouth is watering looking at these delicacies, malpua, and then you have this gulab jamun, rasgullas, pedes, and whatnot. Ooh, what a place! Sindhi Halwai, Haridwar at Uttarakhand. Lovely.